What up, y'all? PJ, all up in this bitch. PJ Yeager, man. Soon to be raw PJ, but not quite yet. Soon enough. Just chilling in the office. It's a lazy ass Sunday. Got The Nightmare Before Christmas bumping on the big screen. Because it is officially October 2017, October 1st. I'm sure we're going to get some copyright infringements with the music in the background, good old Danny Elfman. But you know, it is what it is. Just another test. All I ever do on here is tests. Well, I swear, eventually we're going to be doing it up. That is the plan, and the idea, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's check it out.